So Botox mainly used in cosmetology to treat wrinkles. So these wrinkles are they appear with age or excessive expression or excessive muscle action also. So Botox can be given from age of 16 to 85 years without any side effects. So Botox mainly relaxes the dynamic wrinkles. So what are dynamic wrinkles? These dynamic wrinkles are whenever we try to give some expression, then the lines formed. So these are dynamic wrinkles. Suppose if we want to lift our eyebrows, there will be a line. So these Botox acts on these lines. So there are static wrinkles which even they are static, even they doesn't go. Usually these static wrinkles does not respond to Botox as dynamic wrinkles respond. How these Botox injections are given? So Botox injections are given very superficially into the skin after cleansing the face, and these injections are given in units. So depending upon the lines, and we calculate how many units a person requires. Usually for the forehead we give 20 units, and for the crow feet 20 to 25 units or 30 units. For the glabellar, for the frown, for these lines, this glabellar complex. So for the glabellar complex we give around 20 units. So this way we calculate. So there are several indications for these Botox injections. One is forehead lines as we discussed, and then crow's feet which are there around the eyes, and even glabellar complex. And one more this thing is bunny lines. So bunny lines, here when we laugh, these lines, fine lines will form. These can be treated, and it can used to give the shape, eyebrow arch, to raise the eyebrow arch. The injection can be given here, and also there are even lower face also it can be given, because these Marriott lines can be treated and to give the shape to the jaw. Then also Botox injections can be given. And finally, main important, neck rejuvenation. Whenever people clench or talk with age, there will be neck bands will be visible. These muscles which are prominent, they are better treated with Botox. Neck rejuvenation also can be done, and jawline shaping also can be done with Botox. So meso Botox, which we call it as botulinum toxin, we dilute and we give it entire face, that gives the glow, and that gives the glow to the face. So this can be given. And one more thing is botulinum toxin preparations, and what is the price? Sorry, botulinum toxin preparations తీసేయండి. So people, what is the price of this Botox? So Botox is charged in per unit price. So the price varies from vial to vial or company to company. Botox is from Allergon, which synonymously people use this Botox to botulinum toxin, but there are several other companies have come up with this botulinum toxin like Dysport and Sternox and Xeomin. There are several other. So the price varies from one company to other. So according to unit wise we charge.